Right then, is that the time? I'm on my lunch break. Wales are playing Fiji in their third match of the Rugby World Cup. I've missed the first half. The second half, I'm going into the Owain Glyndŵr to catch it. Come on, Cymru. Now, gents, I mean, it is an unusual time to have a social gathering. It is, 12 o'clock or whatever it is on a Wednesday afternoon. How have you managed to get yourselves together?
Well, I'm supposed to be in work, so
okay.
No, I'm not really. I booked it off.
We'll blur you up. Like, you booked it off. Good boy, nice.
I remember a few World Cups ago, it was 4:30 in the morning, so to me this is late.
What about you, gents? How are you getting through the day?
Yeah, well, just enjoy it. We'll work for ourselves, so we'll pay for it later on somewhere down the line, I'd imagine.
I'm sure. And Steve, are you taking the day off work today?
I hope my boss isn't watching.
And other Steve, have you bunked off work as well?
Yeah, I bunked off work as well, yeah. I work with him, and he wrote me a sick note.
What brings you to Cardiff then, Rick?
I just love Wales. I moved up here 17 years ago. Love the Welsh community.
Where do your loyalties lie now? You were brought up in England, you're living in Wales. Where do your loyalties lie?
I got 2 daughters that are Welsh, and my loyalties, it's hard. It's really hard.
Can you fill me in? What have I missed out on?
Bit of a tough start, to be honest. The Fijians come firing out the blocks, big boys, so I think the Welsh were a bit stunned to begin with.
I've got to say, I love these matching tops. Were these given to you by your parents as a kind of sibling present?
Eisteddfod
Eisteddfod, okay,
yeah,
cool,
got
nice.
these.
Well, I think it was a good turnaround in the first half, but it's a bit like my teacher said once to me, must try harder.
Must try harder every time. Steve, on the end, what do you think, Steve?
Extinction Rebellion.
I don't know what that means. Well, despite Steve's visible concern for the match and the environment, the Welsh boys pulled off a victory of 29-17. Yeah!